Hi, I'm Cheron Burns, owner and operator at Outtakes Catering in the DC metro area, and we're here cooking with Cheron, the business chat. I am super excited to have a guest here today, Ayanna Smith. And, just like our previous episodes, we're going to be cooking and chatting. Now, you all know that a lot of times business decisions, family gatherings, good and bad, happen around food. Yep. So that's why I decided to do like a cooking segment and then talk about business. So let's get started.
I'm down.
You ready?
Yeah.
All right. So today sometimes we like to sip too. And you're in the sipping mood today?
I'm in a sipping mood.
Okay, good.
Every day.
Well, last time we focused on another black wine, Yaki. And I know all of y'all have heard about this, Black Girl Magic. I know you have the McBride sisters. I mean, we're going to focus on a lot of just magic here with entrepreneurship, Black women, all types of women, small business owners. So I brought this out today, and I don't know about you. Yes, because you are about the magic. What?
You did not introduce your guest, man.
Lindsay!
Cheron.
I'm about to pour, and then she's going to
She's about
talk.
to pour, and we're about to.
Do it again.
He messed up my whole...
You were flowing. We were flowing. I can't stand him. I absolutely can't stand him.
Right out of leaving.
We would have said something at some point, Lindsay. I'm telling you. I want to fist fight him every time I see him.
Lord. Don't do this. We're time is of the essence.
Who does that remind you of? Me? Him? Do it again.
Jeez. Okay. Lord.
FAMU family. That's how y'all do. At FAMU.
Let's go. Hi, I'm Cheron Burns, owner and operator at Outtakes Catering in the DC metro area. And we're here cooking with Cheron. Okay, so we have rosé today because I'm also going to prepare for you a shrimp entree. And then we're going to get back to, oh my gosh, you know what? Sorry, as a business owner, I forgot to turn off my phone. Sorry.